because we can't let go of this topic. It's really fresh, really good, and really interesting, especially for those who are thinking of migrating. Again, like last time, as we have mentioned and discussed, the important thing for migration is for you to know which side are you on, right? Because migration isn't, well, honestly, migration is not for everyone. You know,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest, the countries here in Europe would only admit people who would, of course, benefit the economy or in some other way, like science, research, or anything like that. Or it has to be benefit, basically. So we've been covering those kind of topics so that more people would be educated more honestly as well, because here in JFA Migrate, the podcasts, we try to be very educational. We try to be honest instead of just hyping everything up and then later on you're gonna be finding out that it's not for you. We want like real education. So to be honestly speaking to everyone, um, the whole European Union have been really changing its political landscape and its policies on migration. So it's very good, and it's actually best to keep up with the news about this, because from there you will find out if you're still on the right side of migration, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, those are what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be also talking about what does East Germany mean and West Germany, because there's a historical concept there. We're going to be covering that, and how it is right now currently, you know